this engine is quite fun behind the wheel, and when the turbo spools in, it gives you a very straight power delivery. And this engine is definitely going to bring a smile on your face. At the price point you get this engine, I think it is the best 1-liter turbo petrol engine out there in the market in India. A few days ago, it was the Volkswagen Virtus 1.5 liter that we drove, और उसकी एक डिटेल रिव्यू हमने आपको दी थी. बट उसी टाइम वी आल्सो प्रॉमिस्ड यू कि 1 लीटर की भी डिटेल रिव्यू हम आपके लिए लेके आने वाले हैं. एंड हियर वी गो. टुडे आई एम ड्राइविंग द Volkswagen Virtus 1 liter TSI engine, and I am going to give you all the details about this car right in this review. But मैं आज लुक्स के बारे में, फीचर्स के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करने वाला हूँ, बिकॉज दिस कार इज़ एग्जैक्टली द सेम इन ऑल दोज डिपार्टमेंट्स टू द 1.5 liter. So the biggest difference here is only the engine under this hood. It's the 1 liter engine, and that is what we are going to talk about today in the Volkswagen Virtus 1 liter review. Also छोटे मोटे डिटेल्स जो आपको अलग दिखते हैं. बट उससे पहले here is an exciting news for you. The Park Plus Petrol League or PPL is live, and this time it's your chance to win big. Last year 20 lakh people won petrol worth rupees 50 crores, and this year we have bigger prizes including a mega bumper prize. So if you haven't downloaded the app yet, इंतजार किसका कर रहे हैं आप? Go ahead and do that, because this time it's your chance to win big. और चलिए अब रिव्यू के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं. So right at the beginning, let me tell you that even this engine is quite fun behind the wheel and is going to keep you entertained all along. लेकिन उसके पहले कुछ ज़रूरी बातें हम आपको बता देते हैं, and let's get done with all the figures that you really need to know. So this car runs a 1 liter or 999cc 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine that belts out 113 brake horsepower at 5,000 to 5,500 RPM and 178 Newton meters of peak torque from 1,750 to 4,500 RPM. So that is quite a nice rev band that you have in the Volkswagen Virtus 1 liter. And I am driving the 6-speed torque converter unit. So this engine is mated to a 6-speed torque converter unit. आपके पास 6-speed manual का भी option 1 liter में भी आता है, just like you have in the 1.5 liter. And by the way, if you haven't still watched a 1.5 liter Virtus review, go ahead and do that, because all the details of the car is right there. That was the GT line version that we were driving. This is the standard tech line. And now जो design differences आपको देखने के लिए मिलते हैं वो भी काफ़ी subtle है. जैसे GT आपको जो बैच है वो फेंडर्स पे देखने के लिए नहीं मिलती, पीछे भी नहीं मिलता, and you have the TSI badge there. That's the nomenclature for turbo petrol engines in the Volkswagen group. And then वहाँ पर आपको ब्लैक्ड आउट अलॉय व्हील्स मिलते हैं एंड विंग मिरर्स मिलते हैं. यहाँ पर यू हैव ड्यूल टोन मशीन्ड अलॉय व्हील्स सिमिलर 16 इंचेस इन साइज एंड बॉडी कलर्ड ORVM. सो ये बहुत सटल डिफरेंसेस हैं जो आपको यहाँ पर डिज़ाइन के टर्म्स में देखने के लिए मिलते हैं. एंड इनसाइड द कैबिन द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस यू विल सी इज इन द सीट अपहोल्स्ट्री. सो यहाँ पर यू हैव ड्यूल टोन ब्लैक एंड बीज, वहाँ पर ऑल ब्लैक सीट मिलती हैं, बट in everything else the car is identical. Yes, एक difference है, वहाँ पर आपको red ambient light की जो strip मिलती है डैशबोर्ड पे, here you have that in white. So that is the major difference here. In terms of features, it's ditto to the 1.5 turbo. So मोटा मोटी ये difference तो आपको देखने के लिए मिलता है, but the biggest and the real difference is under the hood, जिसकी हमने अभी बात की है. And let's get with the deal now. Behind the wheel, just when you launch the car, जैसे आप start कर रहे होते हैं, this engine is so hyper tuned that it just urges. वो आप जैसे ही ब्रेक से अपने पैर को हटाओगे ये आगे urge करती है. वो that is a good aspect as far as that love for driving goes. But बम्पर टू बम्पर ट्रैफिक में थोड़ा सा आपको वहाँ पर ब्रेक को कंट्रोल करना होता है. But other than that, just pick up the pace and this engine loves to rev. You can go right up to 5500, 5700 RPM and you will have a good power band. And this engine is definitely going to bring a smile on your face because again, it is quite peppy in terms of performance. Also, 1 liter जो है वो थोड़ी light है compared to, because it's a smaller engine, so it's comparatively lighter to the 1.5, and that makes performance a bit peppier again because power to weight ratio भी आपको comparatively कमी नहीं feel होती वहाँ पर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा as you compare it with the 1.5 liter turbo petrol engine. Yes, that engine is an absolute hoot, but even this one is not much behind. And at the price point you get this engine, I think it is the best 1 liter turbo petrol engine out there in the market in India. Yes, quite peppy. And the thing that I love about this engine is that आपको यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा jerk नहीं feel होता है. Typically with turbo petrol engines, whenever the turbo spool kicks in, you generally feel a shudder or a jerk. Here in the Volkswagen Virtus, it's quite evened out, and that's why it is very friendly as far as city commute goes as well. So you will be comfortable, and the elevation and power then, the moment you'll floor it, is linear. And yes, not to mention, even this has a likable exhaust note. Not very exciting, but yes, there's something that you are going to like. But अगर मैं roll on acceleration की बात करूँ, so just when you want to make a quick move or a quick overtake, there's just a fraction of hesitation from the engine, and after that, it just takes off. And when the turbo spools in, it gives you a very straight power delivery, and that is confidence inspiring. So honestly, you don't need much planning when you're overtaking. And even जब आप city में when you're navigating through tight traffic और आपको तुरंत निकलना है traffic से, it's very easily doable with the Virtus 1 liter as well. So in terms of performance, honestly, I have no complaints even with this engine. And what's further impressive is the fuel economy figure. ARAI certified fuel economy 19.8 kilometers के आसपास की है, and that is impressive. In fact, city में मुझे आराम से 14.5 kilometers per liter मिल रहा है, and on the highway I managed actually 20.5 kilometers per liter. So fuel economy is also impressive. And then when it comes to handling and ride quality, it is identical to the Virtus 1.5, and that's only a good thing because around the corners, around bends, it is confidence inspiring. You have ample feedback from the steering, and it is fluidic in the same manner. So yes, वहाँ पर आपको कोई such complaint देखने के लिए नहीं मिलने वाली है. You love the way it goes around corners, bends when you're changing lanes at higher speeds. It maintains its composure. It feels poised there as well. What I absolutely love is that whenever I'm trying to manage any corner at, let's say, 70-80 kilometers per hour, it is not hesitating or giving me any trouble to do that. मैं बहुत आराम से उसको manage कर लेता हूँ, corner as in the long bend, and I just love the way it goes around them. Yes, steering feedback also gives you ample command on the nose of the car, and in turns are quick as well. And finally, when it's come to ride quality, जैसा आप देख सकते हैं हम काफ़ी ख़राब रास्ते पे हैं, but even now the suspension is actually doing a great job. And honestly, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा vertical या lateral movements नहीं feel हो रहा है. And the best part is that the suspension is still working silently. It doesn't thud too much and doesn't pinch in your back. And even the high-speed ride quality is good because it soaks up all the undulations on the roads very easily. So as far as long distance commute goes, you will be very comfortable, and the seats will favor comfort as well. So finally, what's the Park Plus verdict? अब देखिए, the price point at which the Volkswagen Virtus 1 liter comes, it is actually a great deal for you because it is very comfortable on the inside, offers great sense of space, and the cabin is spacious, offers all the modern features you need, and that engine is a hoot behind the wheel. It is the most fun to drive in that price range. At the same time, gives you that vaddi gaddi wali appeal as well. So if you're out in the market to shop for a car, within that 17 lakh price bracket on road, I think the Volkswagen Virtus 1 liter is your most value for money proposition unless and until you are resolved to go for an SUV, because अगर आप किसी सब compact SUV के लिए जाएंगे, you will still be compromising on any of the aspects like be it space or be it performance. This is the most well-rounded package in that price range, and the sedan looks lovely at the same time as well. On that, do let us know your thoughts on the Volkswagen Virtus Swan Liter in the comments below, and keep following Park Plus, your car app, for all the updates in the Indian Car Bazaar. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay notified. And before leaving, I'll just remind you that the Park Plus Petrol League or PPL is live, and this time it's your chance to win big. So go ahead, download the app and start playing. I'm Shubham Parashar, and I'll see you in the next video.